How did monitoring 6 soil moisture sensors achieve 10,000 liters in water savings? Hello everyone, here Teresa from Datacake. Today we're getting our hands dirty, and I'm saying it literally because we want to present to you some really awesome sensors and tech that will help you save water and our planet. We recently partnered with the fantastic partner of us, Sensibility, on a project. We used some really interesting sensors that we're going to show to you. After installing those sensors, they managed to save 10,000 liters of water with just 6 sensors installed in town's flower pots. Yeah, that's not all. This achievement reduced the carbon footprint, saving 2.5 hours in filling and traveling time. So let's get technical, and we are going to show you how to integrate these devices into Datacake. I will show you how seamless it is and how easy it is based on the templates that we have on the platform and the Datacake LNS. We want to show you how fast, how easy it is to get the most out of your data in the easiest way and the fastest way possible. I've created an account on Datacake, of course, and I have a SoilMoisture demo workspace. You can create as many workspaces as you need, adding a workspace, and that's where we are going to add our sensors. And as I mentioned before, there are a lot of LoRaWAN sensors in the market that measure soil moisture. I love my balcony, I love my plants, and we have soon summer. So I've been testing a couple of different sensors in my balcony. I've been working with a lot of different brands and testing out different ones around my balcony. And today we are going to check out the templates that we have for these 3 different ones. We have the Seed SenseCap S214, so 04. It's this one, and I've been testing it out with some water, so that's why right now the soil moisture is 100%. That's really cool. And I have 2 Teneo soil moisture sensors in my workspace as well. They have a very low data rate right now because I don't want them to use a lot of battery. They're very compact and very nice. They are really cool because they are ready to play with. You don't need to configure anything about them, you just need to install them, and it's basically plug and play or install and play. And today I'm going to add the Dragino SE01 sensor, and I'm gonna use Datacake's template base. We already have a template for this device, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install it. As I mentioned before, in my area there's a lot of gateways in the surroundings, so it's pretty cool that I can actually add devices to our LoRa network server, to Datacake's LNS, without having to have my own gateway. So I'm gonna click on a LoRaWAN device, and I am going to install it from the template. As I said, it's the Dragino SE01, which is here, soil moisture and electric conductivity sensor. And I'm gonna select, of course, our Datacake LNS. And I have prepared my keys for this demonstration, of course. We have the Dev UI, which is something that we always have to have. I'm gonna give it a name. And I'm going to select the app UI or join UI, sometimes called, and the app key, which are of course always provided by the store you bought it. They are printed in the box, or they are printed on the device itself usually. And I'm selecting the frequency range from Europe because we are located in Germany. We also support the US frequency ranges, and this is a device class A, so that's it. I'm going to select our free plan, these 5 devices for free, so you can select that one and start right away, and have 1 week of data retention period. And we see directly our device in there. And as you see now, the beautiful Droginos have a button in the front that we can press. I see it, and we are going to wait until it sends its first frame. If we go to the debug section in here, we can see that the application server registration was a success and the device seems to be working. And we're going to wait a little bit to see the first payloads coming in here. Really nice. As you see, here's the first webhook from the Datacake LNS, and we see the recorded measurements from our payload decoder, which are these ones. And if we go to the dashboard, we can see right away there is a soil temperature, and these devices have a probe, so you can also attach it and have a measurement of it. Right now there's no probe, so right now the measurement seems a bit odd. It's not that hot in here. And soil moisture is still 0% because it's not installed, and it needs to start getting some data whenever I install it in my balcony. It's going to start sending those fields. And yeah, I just wanted to show you how to get access to the edit mode of your dashboards, and how you can personalize your dashboard as you like. So as you see, all of them are drag and drop, and you can modify it here. You can add new widgets and add a new chart. For example, if you would have a probe in there, you could add a graph, a chart, a line chart, for example. You can select however you want it to look like. And we also have this really cool feature, allow time frame selection on the dashboard, so you can allow the users to visualize data from an hour, the last day, the last week, the last month, or a custom range. And yeah, so it's a really cool way of visualizing your data. You can always share your dashboards via a public link and create a QR code that you can scan right away. Wherever you are, you can scan it and have access to this device on your browser. This is how Datacake works. We also have automatic reports and automatic rules, and that's something we are going to cover in the next webinars. That's just the beginning. That was the first sensor, and that's always the hardest part. It took us around 5 minutes to add the first device to Datacake. And if you're curious about how to set up notifications, set up reports, drop us a comment below and let us know what else you would like to see us show you. And if you have any questions regarding anything around the platform, please comment below. And we are super excited to see how Datacake can help you make your project smarter. And yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned.